Hello everyone. So here I have added planet gravity to my planet generation system we have been working on. So here you can see this character is floating in space, and right now it's out of the planet's gravity radius. And if I go a little bit closer, the character will be caught up in the planet's gravity, so it will behave just like we are on planet. Like we can walk and the character will start falling into the planet. So let me here, now it caught up in the gravity and it's falling. So I can fire up my jetpack and stop falling, but right now I want to fall so that I can show you guys how this character works in the planet. Now as you can see here, the character is in an upright position, upright orientation compared to the planet's surface, even though we were on the side of the planet. So here, see, just like we are walking on a flat surface, the character is walking. If I speed up, you can see, oh, we have grass as well now. Actually, I think we had already had grass in previous release too. So yeah, you can play this as a playable demo. I have released, the link is in description. You can test it out and see how it works. And also the project files are available as for you to download. Link is in description. So yeah, this is how it works. Now if I fire up my jetpack and move up, the character can eventually go out of the gravity radius. So let me speed up time scale a little bit so we can see. Yeah, yeah, see, now we are out of the planet's radius, gravity radius, so that's why this character became again vertical compared to the world space, because we are out of the gravity radius. So yeah, if I disconnect from the character and move away, here you see the full scale of the planet. So you can customize the planet scale, and all these parameters are there for you to customize the look of the planet. And here, if I select the planet, now you can see this is the new parameter that I have added, gravity radius. So this is the planet radius, and the gravity radius is a little bit bigger than that. I have decided because otherwise you will not be able to walk on the planet. So yeah, you can customize this in any way you need. Right, now if I again attach to the character, here is my character. Actually, we don't need the jetpack here because we are in the we are floating in the space. And yeah, if you want to know how I implemented this planet gravity character, you can refer to this tutorial series I have done. So here I have explained everything, like how to create the character and how to make it behave on a spherical planet just like we do in real life, how to modify the character movement component to change gravity, everything. I'll leave the link to the full playlist also in the description below. This is freely available for you to study and implement it by yourself. And the playable demo will be available here. Link is here. You don't need membership, like paid membership for this. You can access the playable demo for free, and also for the membership you can access the project files too. Right, and thanks for watching. And not just that, if you become a member, there are thousands of other things that are available for you to download. Here to the date, there are over 2000 videos. For each video, project files are available, so feel free to check it out. I'll leave links to everything in description below. And next time, maybe let's work on how to add an atmosphere to this planet. Yeah, that would be my next target. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.